I'm about to share with you how to prepare 3 completely different and amazingly refreshing iced tea recipes in less than 10 minutes in your home. We're doing this in collaboration with the fine NEWBY teas here, and I can't wait to share with you these recipes. So let's get started. To prepare this decadent Dalgona Chai for 2 people, brew either Assam tea or Masala chai tea in 150 ml of hot water for about 3 minutes. You can add some sugar and the spices. I've used cloves and cinnamon sticks. Meanwhile, you can also whip some cream until it's nice and smooth in texture. Then in your glass, add ice, then pour the tea on top and top with the whipped cream, and you can decorate with some cinnamon powder. To prepare the Hibiscus Daiquiri for 2 people, brew 2 rosehip and hibiscus tea bags in 150 ml of hot water for 3 minutes. Then strain the tea and pour into the cocktail shaker. Add ice cubes and honey for natural sweetness. Then cover and shake vigorously. Pour into a hurricane glass and garnish with fresh mint. To prepare this fruity jasmine kiwi cobbler, brew 2 tea bags of jasmine blossom tea in 150 ml of hot water for about 3 minutes. Next, you will need to prepare your kiwi puree. You can do this by peeling your kiwi, cutting it into small pieces and mashing it up in your mortar and pestle. Add the kiwi as well into the cocktail shaker, add some honey and ice cubes. Give it all a really good shake. Then, in your cobbler glass, add a couple of ice cubes, pour the tea on top and top with a nice garnish of fresh mint. I hope you enjoyed these recipes, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back for more.